In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion planner. We're going to build a simple but practical planner that helps you organize your tasks, schedule, goals, and notes all in one place. The idea here is to create a clean system that's easy to update, easy to review, and useful every day. Start by creating a main planner page in Notion. This will be the central hub for everything, so give it a clear title that makes sense to you. You can think of this page as your personal dashboard. Keeping everything connected to one main page makes your planner easier to navigate and helps you avoid scattered information. Once your main page is ready, add sections for tasks, calendar, goals, and notes. These sections create structure, which is important if you want your planner to stay useful over time. The tasks section will help you track what needs to be done. The calendar section will show when things are scheduled. The goals section gives space for bigger priorities. And the notes section is great for quick ideas, reminders, or anything you want to save for later. Next, create a task database. This is the part that gives your planner real functionality. Add properties for due date, status, and priority, so each task has the key details attached to it. Due dates help you stay on schedule. Status helps you see what's completed and what still needs attention. And priority makes it easier to focus on what matters most. Try to keep task names clear and specific so you can understand them at a glance. After that, add a calendar view to your task database so you can see scheduled tasks visually. This is especially helpful if you like planning by date rather than just looking at a list. A calendar view makes deadlines more obvious and gives you a better sense of how busy certain days or weeks might be. Then create a weekly view for planning ahead. This gives you a broader look at your upcoming tasks and helps you prepare in advance instead of reacting at the last minute. A weekly view is useful for balancing your workload and making sure important tasks don't sneak up on you. Now start adding daily tasks. As you plan each day, enter the tasks you need to complete and make sure they include the appropriate due date, status, and priority. This keeps your planner active and turns it from a setup into a working system. Finally, review and update your planner daily or weekly. This step is what keeps everything accurate and helpful. Mark completed tasks, adjust priorities, and add anything new that comes up. A planner only works if it reflects your current reality, so regular review is essential. With that, your Notion planner is ready to support your routine in a clear and organized way.